Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I just wanted to teach you guys how to bypass basically this, this right here. Most of you guys will have problems if the internet provider or your parents cancel your internet before you go to bed or whatever. It'll basically show up like this, or anything, whatever you're with, whatever the provider you have or adapter you have, I don't know, whatever, that'll pop up. So basically what you're going to want to do is go to this site. I'll leave it in the link in the description down below. You want to download this and you're going to set it up, do what you need to do, and then you don't need to turn off your antivirus, nothing. This is 100% safe, and you're basically, I'm not going to click on this because it'll reveal my MAC address, but you're going to want to go to Wi-Fi and then click it. And so say if I click this, or whatever one you have that you're using, say if I'm using Ethernet, you want to click it, click random MAC address, change now. It'll change the MAC address, and then basically it'll let you through, and it'll work. But I've already done it, so I don't need to do it again. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I cannot edit this because I don't have my gaming computer at the moment, and it's in construction. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, please subscribe, that'll be very, very appreciated, and have a good day.